So hi Nanpal, how are you?
Yeah, yeah, fine. How about you?
Yeah, I am fine too.
Yeah.
So
What's your
yeah,
name?
my name is Bhuvan.
Wow, Bhuvan. Where are you
Yeah,
from?
basically I am from Uttarakhand.
Wow.
Yeah, and can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Okay. My
Yeah,
name is Nainpal. I belong to Jharkhand, Jamshedpur.
Jamshedpur. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you working or are you a student?
Yeah, I'm working in Jharkhand Police.
Wow.
Yeah.
So for how long have
What
you been
about
working?
you?
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
What about you? Are you
yeah,
still studying or?
yeah. Actually, yeah, yeah. Actually, here I am in Uttarakhand. So right now I am
Yeah.
here. I am preparing for government's exam here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So for how long have you been working there?
It is 4 years since I have joined here.
Okay, it has been 4 years.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. And for how long have you been learning this language, English?
Actually, look, I am touch with English. I think for since 2020. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
that time I was learning the English as a means, subject. Okay, but for 6 months, I think I have been learning as a spoken language.
Okay. So before
Yeah,
that, you are learning like a subject.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, because we all are from Hindi background. So in our
yeah, yeah,
school days, yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So in our school days, we learn English as a subject only.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, what are the things which you do on daily basis to improve your English?
Actually, I used to read newspaper daily. Okay, and after
Mm.
because as I already told that I am working, so that's why I don't get so much time. But whenever I get some time, I used to read newspaper and watch to means English videos.
Mm.
Or as I am also preparing for competition exam like SSC, so that's why I also read means SSC books for
Okay,
competition. Yeah.
okay. So, right, you earlier said I read newspaper on daily basis. So basically, what kind of newspaper do you prefer? Do you prefer to read?
Actually, I read only the Hindu newspaper,
The
nothing else.
Hindu, the Hindu. Yeah,
Because
the
I
Hindu.
like newspaper very much. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a quality paper, I think. Very quality.
And
Yeah,
and
yeah,
the main thing is that the means the which are the language are there. Okay, it is means believable. Okay, but there are many papers who I can't believe all the news. That's why I
right, right.
don't read. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Like, yeah, right. Like most of the UPC aspirants,
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
read the Hindu newspaper.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can rely their news.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because before lockdown I used to bring the Times of India, okay, the newspaper. But when the lockdown imposed, that
Mhm.
time suddenly the newspaper was means banned. Okay,
Okay. Yeah,
since
yeah.
then I started to read newspaper online. Yeah. And
Okay.
now I like to read newspaper online.
Okay. So nowadays you are reading the Hindu newspaper through virtual medium, through online.
Yeah, because we know very well that the Hindu newspaper is not available means easily. Okay, and
Right.
if you find the newspaper, then you will get newspaper after one day. And I think it is no use of reading after one day. Yeah,
Right,
yeah, that's
right,
why.
right. You said very right things. Like I live in a village, so here,
Yeah,
like here, if I have to read the Hindu newspaper, so I have
yeah,
no option. I have no
yeah, yeah,
option. If I want to read, so only virtual medium. Only through virtual medium I can read
yeah, yeah. Right.
because it is costly. I think the price of the Hindu is 10 rupees or about 10 rupees. I think.
It is 11 rupees. Okay, but
It's
it is
11.
another thing. The
Mhm.
cost is another thing. But the thing is, you can't find the paper in night right time. Okay.
Right, right, right.
and
So, mhm.
think if you read any newspaper after one day and what will you feel?
Right,
That's
right.
right.
Yeah, Yeah, because in India, I think most of the people read Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, so you can
Yeah,
easily find them. You can
yeah,
easily
yeah,
find. If I would talk about my village, my
yeah,
town, so you can easily find Amar Ujala, Dainik Jagran, like this kind of newspaper. But
yeah, yeah,
but you couldn't find the Hindu, Times of India.
yeah.
It is very
Yeah,
tough
right.
to get. Yeah,
Actually, finding Hindi newspaper is very easy. Okay, but thing is that whenever you read Hindi newspaper, you will find many local means local
many
news.
local news.
Okay,
Yeah,
and it
right,
is
right,
no use to read because
right. Yeah,
means I don't have to do anything with the local news that who is suiciding and where accident happened. I think it is no
yeah.
use for me. That's why.
Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, that's the reason
Yeah,
most of the UPSC guy prefer the Hindu
yeah, yeah.
because the Hindu cover national and international news.
And the
Yeah.
one, the another thing that I noticed while reading newspaper, that the
Mhm.
Hindu means reveals all the fact. Whenever it
Yeah.
happens something, okay, the newspaper tells all the things. The
Yeah.
means the previous matter, what is the present matter, everything. It is cleared in Hindi. The news, the Hindu newspaper. That's why I like it more.
Yeah. And also the Hindu newspaper use very fine vocab and very fine like structure, sentence structure.
Right. Right.
Very fine.
Uh,
Yeah.
So do you means do you read the Hindu article?
Sometime I read, sometime I write, sometime I read through my mobile because I have downloaded the Hindu app. So
Yeah,
sometime I try to read, sometime I try to listen. Because yeah, because in mobile we have also another option to listen.
yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah,
I think the Hindu app is also very good.
yeah, very
Yeah,
good. Yeah,
and
yeah,
yeah, yeah, and the same news you can find in the Hindu paper.
yeah.
Okay,
Same news. Yeah,
I think
yeah,
it is official app of the Hindu. I think,
yeah. It is. Yeah, and
but
it is
I
free.
don't use it. I don't use
Mhm.
any app to read newspaper
Mm.
because I don't want to waste my time. Okay, I
Mm.
just want to read the newspaper only. So I was telling that means I don't want to waste of my time. Okay,
Yeah.
because whenever you know that means whenever because of that I don't like the watching any match, cricket match or football match.
Okay. Do you
I
watch?
only watch. I only means want to know the result.
Yeah.
That is the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
according to me, it is a time pass, but I don't know what all means what all thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from English, or apart from, I think you also know Hindi, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I know
So,
many languages. Yeah.
okay. Yeah. So
Just like
apart
I
from,
can.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I can speak many languages like Hindi, English, and like Santhali, Khatta. There are many languages what I know. Okay, but there are
Mhm.
many languages too that I can understand very well. But I find hard to speak.
Okay. So you are polyglot.
Yeah,
Poly.
somehow I managed to.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
like as you earlier said, you are working in Jharkhand Police. So,
yeah,
so also you have to spend your all day with your office. So
yeah.
how do you prepare for English and how do you find time for speaking this language?
Actually, it is very difficult to means get find while working in a Jharkhand Police Department. Okay, but
Hmm.
somehow I managed to find some time for myself. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
and I think you are very fond of learning any language
yeah,
because
yeah.
yeah, because you know
Yeah,
many
yeah.
languages.
I like means learning any language.
Any
And
languages.
the thing is that whenever I listen any language, okay, that
Hmm.
is being spoken near to me. Okay, I try to observe the language. Okay, that's
Okay.
why I also understand the Nepali language.
Okay, you also know. Okay.
Yeah, Nepali Gorkha,
Okay, yeah.
they used to speak. Yeah, I understand little bit.
Okay, so whatever you listen, so you you always observe. Always,
Yeah, yeah,
always you
right,
observe.
right. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a
And
very good thing,
because
I
of
think.
that,
Hmm.
you know that the Jharkhand is a means scheduled tribe, means
Yeah,
scheduled tribe. There are many community there. Okay, and there
yeah,
many languages are spoken in Jharkhand.
many
Okay,
languages.
that's why
Okay.
whenever when I language means I get the language speaking. Okay,
Hmm.
I listen to language very carefully. That is the my means fact that I learned the many language. Yeah.
Wow, so that's very nice. That's very nice, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what
So,
about you? How many languages do you know?
I know three languages. English, which I'm trying to speak, and
Yeah.
apart from English, I know Hindi, as well
Yeah.
as I know my native language is Kumaoni.
Oh, wow.
Kumaoni.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, in Uttarakhand, basically people speak two kind of languages:
Yeah. Yeah.
Kumaoni
Yeah.
and Gadwali. Kumaoni and Gadwali.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I come from Kumaon region, so I speak Kumaoni.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
Kumaoni language is very beautiful language.
Yeah, it is good. It is good. It is my native language, so I love to
Yeah.
speak with my native language always. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So means how do you speak? Just like in Hindi, मैं खाना चाहता हूँ. Then how do you speak in your
मैं
Kumani language?
मैं खाना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah.
Like मैं खाना चाहूँ.
Okay.
मैं खाना
मैं
चाहूँ.
खाना चाहूँ. That I can also understand your language.
So how we say in Santhali?
Yeah.
Santhali. If suppose I have to say मैं खाना चाहता हूँ, I want to eat. If you have
Yeah.
to convert, this in Santhali, so how do
Yeah.
we say?
Yeah. Just like in Santhali, you will say that uh, ing jome ya means मैं खाऊंगा. Okay.
Ingejomea.
Yeah.
Okay. It seems
Yeah.
very tough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You do uh, for uh, for improving your English, like you earlier said, you read newspaper.
Yeah. Yeah.
According to me, reading newspaper is not enough to learn this language.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, because
Actually,
mhm,
okay. Actually, I'm telling you the fact. Okay, because
mhm.
I have completed my graduation and master degree in English.
In
Okay.
English, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
That's why I think that means I have some knowledge of English. Okay. And after getting some knowledge of English, I started to practice. That's all.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So right, like you work in police department. So with whom do you practice?
Actually, look, whenever I get any partner to speak, okay, I used to speak with them. Okay. And the another thing, just like in video call, and as I'm doing with you now. Okay. Just
Mhm.
I used to do. And the another thing, just there are many English spoken groups like in Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay. So I have joined the group. Okay. And whenever I find any friend to talk, I used to talk with them. That is
Yeah,
the secret. Yeah.
yeah,
And
yeah,
another thing, just like you already asked me that how do I manage to find time? Okay. So
yeah,
that is the thing that I don't any means I don't do anything except means doing my duty. Okay. Just like that, I
yeah,
don't play anything. Okay. I have stopped playing uh,
yeah.
means, for a long time. Okay. I don't like to play.
Mhm.
Think that I don't do anything else. That's why I get sometimes. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, and the thing is that as I told that I know very many languages because and I know the Santhali language because when I was in school, okay, when I was a school boy, that
Mhm.
time I used to play with the Santhal boys.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I learn. But I think I have forgotten many things in Santhali nowadays because I don't practice now.
Okay, so
Yeah,
since your childhood days, when you are in school, so that time
yeah,
you speak Santhali with your friends.
yeah, yeah. Right, right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So one thing is, I think you are very fascinated about learning a new languages.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Mhm.
I like it.
Yeah, and I also like to learn English, but yeah, as you earlier
Yeah,
said, you have joined many Telegram groups, many WhatsApp groups to find a
yeah,
member with whom you can talk. And same thing I do on daily basis.
yeah.
Yeah,
Right, right.
yeah. Because English is all about practice, I think.
Yeah, yeah,
It's all about practice. If suppose we are reading something,
yeah,
on daily basis, so we can good at reading. If we are listening
yeah,
something on daily basis, so we can good at listening.
yeah. Right.
So speaking must, speaking must,
Yeah,
very must. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
like yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, if you want to learn speaking, okay,
Hmm.
then you have to listen and to speak only.
Right, right. Through
But
listening,
you just
yeah.
like if you want to pass any competitive exam, okay, then
Mm,
for
right,
that you will have to read the all the rules or English as a paper, okay.
right. Right,
Yeah, that is
right,
the
right.
thing.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. If you want to clear any competitive exam, so you have a good knowledge about grammar.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, like in competitive exam, doesn't matter you don't know speaking or you know speaking, doesn't
yeah,
matter. But yeah, you should
yeah,
have a great knowledge about English.
yeah,
Then yeah, then you can clear your English exam.
yeah, yeah, right.
So I think you because you are preparing for SSC,
Yeah, yeah.
SSC, SSC. So I think
I
you
just I on means I'm only preparing for the steno SSC steno.
SSC steno.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay, so you also know steno.
Yeah, I know. I know how
Oh,
to write a steno.
so you are also linguistic,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
like linguistic. I think if I'm not wrong, linguistic is the person who know how to write many languages, and
yeah,
polyglot is the guy who can speak several languages.
yeah,
So I think you are both linguistic as
yeah,
well as
yeah,
polyglot.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I was not familiar to English. Sorry, to the steno. Okay,
Mhm.
but when I joined my office, okay, that time my sir motivated me, okay, to learn the steno.
Steno.
Okay, because with with whom I used to work, okay, he is a
Mhm.
very excellent in his steno. So that's why he used to teach me the steno.
Okay. Okay. So through your
Otherwise, I
sir,
would otherwise I wouldn't know.
okay. So through
Yeah,
your sir, you learned steno.
yeah, yeah, right.
And I think steno is very good. If you like, steno is a skill. If you know a
Yeah,
language, so is it like a skill? And
yeah,
through steno, you can not easily, but yeah, you can clear SSC as well as your own state exam.
yeah, yeah,
If you,
right.
yeah,
Yeah, right, right.
yeah. Actually, I am also thinking. I was also thinking about steno,
Yeah, yeah,
but
right.
right now, like there is a lockdown in my state, so
Yeah, yeah.
no institute. Yeah, so no institute has opened. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
So now presently, what do you do? Means how do you prepare for the competition exam?
Yeah, right now, like I do self study. I do
Okay.
self study. Yeah, and I watch some YouTube channels. I follow them. Yeah.
Yeah,
Apart from that, I follow some books
yeah,
which I read on
yeah,
daily basis, and I
yeah.
do practice. I do practice.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, Bhuvan, what do you
yeah.
think that online classes are enough to learn anything? Just
Mm,
like you know that in lockdown, okay, there is no any offline coaching is going on.
yeah.
Okay. So, what do
Mhm.
you think that it is enough the online class?
Like uh, like online classes. and offline classes. According to
Yeah.
me, both are good. Both are
Yeah.
good. But in
Yeah.
this situation, we all know we can't go anywhere. So I
Yeah.
think in this time, taking online classes is very good. And it is
Yeah.
up to you. It is up to
Yeah.
you. Like you can learn anything through online classes, and it
Yeah.
is and you have to not put your physical effort.
Yeah.
Yeah. And through online classes, you can connect all around the world, all around
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
world. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
So according to me, like it is very good
Yeah.
if you are taking online things in a right manner.
Yeah.
So this is the right way to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what is your opinion and what do you think about?
Actually, my opinion is, I think taking online classes is very good. Okay, but
Hmm.
the thing is that we will have to take it sincerely. Okay, because
Right.
what happens generally, the students used to take the online class as a entertainment. Okay,
Right. Right.
sometimes they they watch the another video. Sometimes they watch another video. Okay, means
Yeah.
they are not continuing the single
Yeah.
chapter. They don't
Right.
complete any chapter. Okay, I think that is the very bad thing. Okay, and the another thing is that online classes, that means you are near to your mobile phone or your laptop. Okay,
Yeah.
so what happens while watching the online classes, they used to watch another thing. Okay,
Right.
it is a
It
very
happens.
bad thing. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
it
yeah, I
happens
would
many
like
times.
to suggest to the students, actually they should watch and they should complete a single chapter. Okay, and by completing one chapter, they should go ahead and they should go for another chapter. Right?
Right.
Because
Right. Right.
the students should keep the syllabus in their mind. Okay, and then what to read and what not to read.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Right. Right. Right.
Actually, actually, I had taken online subscription of Utkarsh classes. Okay.
Utkarsh class. Yeah.
Yeah, but the what happened that I couldn't attend the class regularly.
Okay.
Okay. So I had stopped watching because
Oh.
that I don't get so much time. That's why.
Yeah. 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 Because you are working, so you do not have enough time to do other things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you are putting your effort. But still,
Yeah.
you are putting your effort just because you are very fond of English. So I think this is the reason.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. 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 So, according to you, what will you suggest if someone is beginner, and he want to learn English, he want to speak in English. So, in which, like, where should he start? Where should he or she start?
Actually, if they are very very learner, okay, they don't
Like,
even know the grammar rules. Okay,
mm,
then they should first read the some rules of grammar. Okay, and whenever they feel that now they are familiar to some structures or grammar rules. Okay, and after that they can they should read some English books or something that is written in English, and they may practice the English language. Okay,
yeah,
actually, in the beginning, they feel very awkward. Okay, but after some times, I think they will realize that now they are doing something in English
yeah, right,
because we have, yeah, actually we have passed through all the things,
yeah,
right? So that's why it is my experience.
yeah, right, yeah, right. Like in our starting days, when we frame a sentence, so that time grammar is necessary.
Yeah,
Like where we should use do, does, did, has, have, had, like all the things.
yeah,
So
right.
so for framing a sentence, English is
Yeah,
necessary. Yeah,
yeah,
and apart from that, reading is also very good because when we read on daily basis,
yeah,
so through reading, we develop our understanding skill.
yeah, right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So yeah,
But the
so
thing, but the thing is that we have to keep patience, okay, because it is not a work of a few days, okay. It takes sometimes. That's why we have to means, be patient.
Yeah, it's very true. It's very, very true. In like many people think they will get fluent in 15 days, 1 month,
Yeah,
2 month, 3 month. But we
yeah, yeah,
all
right.
know, but
Yeah,
we all know what is truth. What is
yeah,
truth?
yeah,
Like
yeah,
learning a language, not a 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 1 month, two
yeah,
month,
right.
3 month process. We all know very well. It takes
Yeah, yeah, right.
time. It takes
Yeah, yeah,
time.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Actually,
consistent. Yeah.
yeah, I want to share an experience here. Okay, just
Okay.
I think you have heard, or I think you have means I think looked in gym center. Okay, a gym center and a spoken class, both are the same thing. Okay, whenever any batch starts, you will find there many candidates. Okay, but
Yeah.
after 1 or 2 months, you
Yeah.
will find there are only some students they are going still.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
because
Right.
it is
Right.
the thing that if you remain there, okay, then
Yeah.
it is sure that you will be perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
because in a gym center, okay, who remain there means their self there, then they means they make their body, their physical good. Okay, and it
Yeah.
is the same way when someone uh, means goes to a spoken class regularly, okay, and they still continue. I think they become very fluent,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, both are the
Yeah.
same thing.
Yeah. But most
Yeah,
of the guy like they go only 1 week or 2 week for
yeah,
both
yeah,
the
right.
for yeah for both sides, gym as well as English school classes. So
Yeah,
after 1 week, they think like this is not our cup of tea. Like
yeah, yeah, right.
we are good. We are good as we say
Yeah,
earlier. So we don't
yeah,
need
yeah.
to go anywhere. We don't. Yeah.
They think it's very hard.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
But
And
it's
then.
not like that.
Mhm.
If means if someone means do a hard work, okay, then I think it's okay. They can
Yeah.
learn.
Yeah.
It's
Consistency
not so
matters.
tough. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. You have to be consistent. If you want
yeah,
to learn anything, not a language, this is not about a language. If you want to get any skill in your life, so you have
yeah,
to be consistent. You have to be patient. Then you will get all the things.
yeah.
Yeah.
Not about the spoken language or anything. Okay,
Yeah.
it is with everything. You have to be means consistency. Okay,
Yeah.
that is.
Yeah. Through consistency, we can achieve anything in our life, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And we know that perfect makes us means for sorry, practice makes us perfect.
Yeah. Practice makes a man perfect. Yeah. Nobody
It
can deny
depends
it.
on
Yeah.
our practice, that how do we practice.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we have to wrap up the session.
Okay.